said, eat your veggies, put down that beer. I said, honey, I've been living this way for 60 years. Next thing I know, I'm walking every night, counting steps on my phone. Lord, she's always right. I just wanted a kiss, not a 10-year wellness plan. I married a woman, got a life coach. She tells me when to floss, what not to approach. Got a chart on the fridge with my chores in rows. Even got reminders on when to change clothes. Love her to death, but Lord take note, I married a woman, got a life coach.
We rode our bikes through the sprinkler mist and lived off snacks that barely exist. We drank hose water and we turned out fine, straight from the tap with a hint of iron. No filter, no fizz, just a garden spout. If it was lukewarm, we never cried out. No spa water here, just grit and grace, with mud on our feet and joy on our face. We built mud forts with duct taped walls, had wrestling matches in sprinkler brawls, launched off swings like we could soar, then limped back home through the screen door. We drank hose water, strange but strong. It fueled our games all summer long. A splash of metal, a twist of grime, but man, that taste was pure sublime. No filters, no warnings, no plastic flare, just hose to face like we didn't care. Now kids got iPads and almond milk, sipping on smoothies, smooth as silk. But back in our day, we took a chug from a hose full of bugs and backyard mud. We drank hose water, and we ain't ashamed. It made us weird, but we ain't to blame. If you're from the 70s or the 80s, gang, you got hose water pumping through your veins. No shame in that green rubber taste. It built our pride and blessed our waist. So lift your glass to the faucet stream, to childhood grind and half-baked dreams. We may be odd, but one thing's sure: we drank hose water, and we want more.
The plant is just giving me too many. Too many. I gave away 30 fruits to friends, and the plant is still giving me more. So I'm thinking now, if we can cook pumpkin seeds. The seeds I'm gonna cook, and I'm gonna show it to you for real.
I walked in the kitchen, but forgot what for. Stood there like a statue, staring at the floor. I went to grab my glasses, but they're on my face. I got pills for my knees, for my back, for my gut. My memory's fried, but my arms well cut. I opened the fridge, then just stood there stuck. What was I doing? Why'd I come in here? Was I making a sandwich, or just looking for beer? Was I fixing the sink, or feeding the cat? Wait, I don't own a cat. What's up with that? I'm losing my mind, but my socks still match. Kinda. Wasn't a senior discount. Was I doing, I wonder.
After 24 hours, the seeds are already dry. I am mixing a little bit of olive oil and salt. And then oven roast for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Upo seeds. The shell of an upo seed is too hard to break, and this is not good. I do not recommend you roast upo seeds. The shell of pumpkin seeds are much easier to break. The taste of roasted pumpkin seeds are delicious. Please be careful, always. Thank you for watching.